Now we'll move on to the feature story writing process. Not surprisingly, it starts with an idea. Sometimes journalists are assigned stories by their editors, and sometimes they come up with their own ideas. When thinking of ideas for feature stories, recall the news values we already learned about: impact, immediacy, proximity, prominence, novelty, conflict, and emotions. Once you have your idea, follow your brief. Now, if you aren't sure about what your editor wants, ask. Research is your next step. Try to get the basic who, what, when, where, why, and how on your idea. This will help you formulate questions for your fourth step, the interview. Human sources, meaning people you actually talk to and not quotes from other news stories, news reports, or books, are vital to feature stories that are often designed to have emotional appeal. You also want your story to provide something unique that readers can't get in stories on the same topic in other publications. Now, once you have your interviews completed, you move on to the planning phase. Put your notes together, notice any holes you have in your story, and call your sources back to verify facts or ask additional questions. Finally, sit down and start writing. Now, our textbook author, Winfred Hicks, recommends to start writing much earlier in the process, typing out notes and quotes. I'll consider all that pre-writing. Now, this is where you should put the final product together, revising along the way to answer questions and add additional detail as necessary.